Welcome back. You're watching KTN Prime. Thank you for staying with us. Let's continue informing you. Now, the National Police Service and the Ministry of Health are facing backlash from police officers who claim they are unable to access medical services despite their contributions to the Social Health Authority.
Now, this emerged during an engagement forum organized to sensitize officers on SHA's operations. However, frustrated officers voiced their grievances, citing poor service delivery under the new scheme. Other than poor health services, sources also say the police officers are planning a go-slow in 2 weeks if their concerns will not be addressed. Other issues that they want addressed include compensation for officers who are injured while on duty. Clement Masombo reports.
I don't even see media here capturing or any media. So these things are going hot here. So you're playing with us picky ponky game here. Why do you know kama ni hot here? Let me tell you.
That is an officer stationed in Makueni County expressing his frustrations over the difficulties he has faced when seeking treatment at SHA-affiliated hospitals.
Madam, you have told us you are a senior superintendent of police, meaning you are throwing a threat to us so that we comply.
The officer further claimed that his brother's wife, who is covered under SHA, was denied medical attention despite their regular monthly contributions.
When the wife was taken to hospital, police, mnasema. The police rejected her. The husband, we could not reach him in Mandera. What did you expect us to do? This is somebody ambaye anatolewa 2,000 plus every month that has made these people to dress well the way they are dressing here.
A forum meant to sensitize officers on the health scheme turned into a platform for discomfort, with some officers accusing organizers of being out of touch with the reality on the ground.
Our answer is we are not feeling that
someone who represents you from Machakos forum, nitampea feedback kama atakuwa amepata feedback yenu ya ile vitu yote mmeongelelea hapa.
We are coming from Makueni, madam. Makueni, not Machakos.
I mean Machakos.
We are from Makueni. I personally is from Makueni. So you people, you came here, you don't even understand the audience you are addressing, and you are here ping-pongers.
The concerns were not limited to one person. A female officer also voiced her dissatisfaction with the services provided under Social Health Authority.
Lakini sisi tukienda hospitali utaambiwa nini? Huwezi tibiwa. Kwa nini? If you want to improve your services, provide cards to the officers. Kama ni limited, ikuwe limited, but it's tuandike pale unlimited and it's limited. Why did you not call the service providers for these hospitals zenye ziko Machakos?
And as the nation continues to struggle with the provision of proper medical services in the country and the unending complaints about the effectiveness of Social Health Authority, a crisis is now looming in the security sector.
Yes. So, whatever you're supposed to do, act. If you're not going to act, just leave us alone. Wanted to tell pesa kwa mifuko yetu to hear that the government is not helping us, rather than giving us something that won't help us.
Sources within the National Police Service indicate that the officers have issued a 2-week ultimatum warning that if their grievances are not addressed, including compensation for those injured in line of duty, they will embark on a go-slow in protest. Clement Masombo, KTN.